Happening right now, an attorney who helped homeowners sue the city of San Diego over flood damage to their homes back in 2019 just announced he is taking legal action that could result in another lawsuit. I'm Marcella Lee, and today for Heather Myers.
I'm Carlo Cicchetto. CBS 8's Kelly Hessedal just talked to that attorney and one of his clients. She joins us live from Southcrest with what she's learned. Kelly.
That's right, and that attorney says this is history repeating itself again. I'm actually in the backyard of one of his clients right now, Greg Montoya. Now, he was part of that 2019 lawsuit. The city ended up settling that lawsuit, and on Monday of last week, Montoya's home flooded again. So take a look. This is the aftermath here in his backyard. You can see how much mud there is, debris. Montoya says he is taking legal action against the city once again.
They're going to claim this act of God thing, that 1,000-year storm, but that's the same defense they used in 2019. So what do we have? 2,000-year storms and back to back?
You have to listen to your residents. People have been telling the city about this for years. They've been telling the city, get out here, fix the drainage, and the city hasn't done it.
And that last gentleman you heard from, attorney Evan Walker, says he's filing something called a tort claim with the city. The city has 45 days to respond. If they don't settle that claim, Walker says he'll sue. He says nothing has changed since the city settled with Montoya back in 2019. He says the drainage problems were never addressed. He says the city cleared the channel that runs through here, like Montoya had said. None of this mess would have happened. All of these people wouldn't have lost their homes and all of their belongings. Montoya says he has so much documentation from over the years proving that he's begged council members to take his complaints seriously, but he says no one ever did.
The city of San Diego should count their lucky stars that nobody died, because somebody could have died in this. There's elderly people who can't even move, and that water was rushing so fast, and they say it's all because it just rained so much. No, it's because you don't clean the channel.
Now, this time around, Walker says he could be representing, that is, anywhere from 50 to 500 clients. He just isn't sure. He says that he is bringing on a law firm from Los Angeles that specializes in lawsuits like this. It could potentially be a very large lawsuit, and he says that law firm specializes in it. I did reach out to the city for comment, but so far have not heard back. Marcella and Carlo.
So, Kelly, if this does elevate to a lawsuit, what are the attorney and his clients asking for in this?
He says they're asking for two things. One is compensation to the homeowners who lost everything, who lost their homes, who lost all of their belongings. And secondly, ordering the city to fix the drainage problems, not just clear it once, but maintain the channels annually.
And that is the big concern. They may be cleaning it up now, but what about the next time? So hopefully they get some answers fast. They need money to start those improvements as soon as possible. Thanks so much, Kelly.
Yeah, we've been talking about, you were down there seeing trees that were obviously years and years old growing that channel, evidence that it's been a while.
You cannot appreciate the scope of the damage and devastation unless you're out there. Yeah. It really is just so tragic.
Yeah.